Toppers are a fabulous solution if you're experiencing partial hair loss or if you just want to add some volume to your own natural hair. There are lots of toppers available, so be sure to check out our informative articles on our blog to help you with your decision. We've also included a link in the description which will take you to lots of topper tips and insights. This particular piece is the very gorgeous Warhol Topper from our Stimulate collection. This is a popular heat-friendly style which measures approximately 29 centimetres from the crown. The inside cap construction has a monofilament design which creates the impression that the hair is coming from your own scalp. There is also a natural looking lace front which will provide a completely realistic look to your hairline. Liv looks fabulous wearing the Warhol Topper for that extra volume she's after. It's completely normal for it to take some time to get used to attaching a topper, especially if you're new to wearing them. With practice and patience, you'll become a pro in no time. Just keep at it and soon it'll feel like second nature. Remember, it's all about finding the right technique and getting comfortable with the process. Start by prepping your own hair. This will depend upon where you want coverage and where the clips will best attach to your natural hair. Liv, who wants to showcase the natural lace front of her topper, has styled her own hair back and secured it with Kirby grips. The next step is to open the small pressure-sensitive clips on the topper. In this particular enhancer, there are 4 clips located at the sides and back of the piece. These clips are designed to securely attach the topper to your natural hair, providing stability and ensuring a snug fit. To open the clips, gently press down on the centre of each clip until you hear or feel a slight click. This will release the clip and allow it to open fully. Take care not to force the clips to avoid damaging them. Once all the clips are open, you're ready to position the topper onto your head and attach it to your prepped natural hair. Make sure the clips are aligned with the areas where you want coverage and gently press them into place, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. When the clips are attached, you can then blend your natural hair with the topper to achieve a seamless look. Take your time to adjust and position the topper until you're happy with your look. Toppers are a fabulous way to help you cover partial hair loss or just to give extra volume. Whether you're heading to work, a special event, or just out for a casual day, a well-chosen topper can enhance your look and boost your confidence. So take the time to explore different styles and colours, and once you find the perfect match, you'll feel unstoppable. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube and social media channels, as it's a fantastic way to receive tips, tricks, and stay updated with all the latest news from our wonderful world of wigs. We offer tutorials and demonstrations on styling, maintenance, and much more. Join our community to be part of the Simply Wigs experience.